Hello, I'm Lilibet Diaz, and this is the lesson 4 of my assignment of Pasantías Preprofesionales 2. So, in this lesson, the theme is ancient civilizations, the Incas, and this lesson is prepared for students of second baccalaureate, which proficiency level is elementary, and the duration of this class is 45 minutes. Uh, In the TFL objectives, here we have the first one that is listening. So here students have to analyze about the Inca civilization to get the most important information. In speaking, they have to express opinions about the negative and positive aspects from the conquest and the cultural contributions of Incas that time today. In reading, they have to scan and skim through text to locate the specific information in the text. And in writing, they have to construct a short paragraph describing pictures. In the methodology that I use for this plan uh, is oral physical response, communicative language teaching, and the strategies are whole class work, their work, close reading, cultural studies, and some and brainstorming ideas. In the anticipatory set, first, I will start the class by playing a video about the Inca civilization, and I will ask the students to carefully observe and listen to the events that appear in the video. Related with the main teaching input, the warm-up activity that is that once I have seen the video, once the students have seen the video, I will play the video a second time, and once finished, I will ask the students to write on the board the events they observed during the video. And I will analyze their contributions of the students and writing on the blackboard, and I will ask them in pairs to discuss the positive and negative events they observe and discuss the importance of knowing the importance of our rules. And during the working bear, I will hand over a sheet where they will write the positive and negative aspects of the conquest, and I will make a little reflection of the story, and I will walk around the seats and observe the work of the students. And once the activity is finished, I will ask one of the students of the work in turn to read the reflection they arrived at during the development of the work. And during it, I will listen and monitor the correct pronunciation, and then using the video, past simple tense and how to use preferences. I will explain about past tense and when it is used and the structures, and I will make some examples to expand the content. And then I will conclude with the class by condensing the topic of the unit. And for modeling, I will explain to the students that for this activity, they go to the page 55 of the book of their book and underline the most important ideas of text. And then I will explain that for the guided and independent activities, the students will take the ideas and solve the proposed activities. And finally, as a project, I will divide the course into two groups and to make a debate about the Spanish conquest. And for this, I will ask that they independently review more information on the internet to argue each position about the pros and cons of it. For the guided practice, here we have the worksheet. And in this activity, the students will read the reading A Great Civilization and answer the questions related with the reading. As you can see, here are some questions, and then in phase, they will carry out to the second activity that consists of reading the sentences. Here are the sentences, and they will decide if they are true or false according to the information of the reading. In the independent practice, and here we have two worksheets, and here students will be given a worksheet where they have to read the reading and fill in the blanks, choosing the words inside the box. Then they will solve the crossword on page 57. Here we have the crossword of their text, of their textbook. And finally, in the assessment section, the students will be evaluated in groups during the development of the debate, and with the close review and follow-up, the class will be concluded by reviewing the topic briefly. And for homework, the students need to choose one in-class activity and write a short description. And finally, students will listen to the song El Condor Pasa, sorry, and correct the lyrics of the song. So this is the example of the lyrics of the song, and this is the activity that the students have to make. The students have to do. And this is the end of this presentation of lesson plan number 4, and thank you for watching this video.